Hey, this is Dale from Book Brand Business, and we're looking at what kind of book can you write? Okay, now let's imagine that you're a consultant and you have a particular kind of product or process that you want to sell not only to the end consumer but into other organizations and into organizations that will train on your topic or create masterminds on your topic. So there's two particular books that I want to talk about. One you will have, I'm almost convinced you will have heard of. It's called The Business Model Generation. And it says on the front cover, co-created by an amazing crowd of 470 practitioners from 45 countries. Now, I recently, maybe in the last 6 months, bought an app that goes with the content in this book, and I find that very useful to do that online. So this book is quite amazing. It's very thick, and it's structured really, really well. It's a beautiful book. It's structured well, and it follows a process. So I know from masterminds and things that I've been in that this kind of book is the kind of book that gets given out in the mastermind, and it's something that we follow through in terms of learning those processes to become better business people and to create those kind of business models. So that's one example. Now, a mastermind that I was a part of, we use this book called Get Clients Now. And again, a similar, one of my scribbles, just to prove that I did actually use it. And so again, you know, it's a process. It's used in lots of ways. So you can buy this book on Amazon. Consultants tend to buy it and use it for their own training and in mastermind groups and stuff like that. So again, you know, if you have got a really fabulous proven process that other people can use, that other people can use in other group settings and in their training and stuff like that. And certainly, you know, the mastermind that I went on, everybody, I mean, this was many, many, many years ago, probably, I don't know when this was published, 2013. I'm just trying to think when the mastermind was. That was on probably something like 2015. Oh no, it couldn't have been. It probably was around 2013. Ignore me. And we used this book and got great results with it. So if you have a proven process and something that people can pick up and use and get, you know, a really solid outcome from it, and you know that you can sell it into other kinds of groups and things like that, then that is a fantastic book to write. Now you can have videos to go with it, you can have worksheets to go with it. Like you say, you know, you could sell a training material that you've produced to go with it. There's lots and lots of other applications. As I said, with the business model generator, there's an app that goes with it. So it's really, again, thinking about the ideal reader, thinking about, you know, what else you can use the book for, how you can apply it, and then, you know, bringing it together and then developing all those other products and services around it. So I'm Dale from Book Brand Business, and we're looking at what kind of book can you write?